back to my channel Creating Food Souls. What I'm making today is quite an old recipe of my mom. She makes awesome cinnamon rolls and I thought I should share it with you. So let's get started. Now what I want you guys to do is to warm the milk. When I say warm, it means that when you put your finger in the milk, it should just be your body temperature. Because if the milk is hot, it will kill the yeast. Once you put the yeast, mix all the ingredients and set it aside for 10 minutes so that the yeast gets activated. Knead the dough for around 10 minutes until it's super smooth and it bounces back once you put your finger into it. Once you're happy with the dough, put a little bit of extra flour out because we don't want our dough sticking to the base. At this point, put your finger in and start rolling into a rectangle shape as early as you can, because that's the shape we want. The best part about this recipe is that once the cinnamon rolls are ready, and if you don't want to bake them, you can cover them with cling film, placing them in a small tray and put them in the freezer. In this way, they can even stay up to 3 months. And when you're ready to use, take them out before 1 to 2 hours or till they turn to room temperature, and then they're ready to bake. If there is a particularly fat part of the roll, you can spread a little with your hands and stretch it slightly, so that the roll is really even and so it rises and bake evenly as well. Well, this is what I'm still to master. Well, here the experts say you use a dental floss for cutting the roll. I'm using a knife. We can use anything as per your convenience. Do not jam pack the tray as they are going to expand when you prove them. Proving is just like the second rise before putting them in the oven. Well, for the icing, I have used the simplest method, just pouring the condensed milk. I love it this way. More sweeter, the more tastier. Make sure you glaze them while they are warm. Trust me guys, the cinnamon rolls were super delicious. If you want me to come up with more videos, do like and subscribe to my channel.